Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to clear all YouTube activity history. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open YouTube and tap on right bottom your profile icon. After that, you have to again tap on top right setting icon. Now here you have to click on manage all history. When you click on this, where you have to wait a few seconds. After that, here you have to click on delete icon. Now here you have to click on delete all time. In this way you can delete all your search history, watch history and activity from YouTube. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.